Napakalalaking contrast yung gustong ipakita ni Pablo. Yung Diyos, siya ay totoo. Yung man is a liar. Yung Diyos ay faithful. Man is unfaithful. God is reliable. Man is unreliable. Yung Diyos keeps His word. Yung man breaks God's word. Kada may disagreement between God and man, the problem is hindi yung Diyos. Never with God. The problem is always with man. And saksi dito, yung history ng Israel. Ang Diyos entered into covenant relationship with them. Yung Mosaic covenant promised blessings for obedience and discipline for disobedience. The problem was never God's faithfulness. The problem was always Israel's unfaithfulness. Ang Diyos repeatedly kept His promise. Israel repeatedly broke yung kanilang promise to obey. Remember, yung generation na umalis ng Egypt, pinangako sa kanila ng Panginoon that He will bring them to Canaan, a land flowing with milk and honey. Yet after bumalik ng 10 spies, yung 10 unbelieving spies sa kanilang mission na mag-spy sa promised land, almost lahat sila naniwala doon. They responded in unbelief. Mas naniwala sila doon sa 10 unbelieving spies kaysa doon sa faithfulness ng Diyos na ibibigay sa kanila yung promised land. And ginawa nila, nag-complain sila, nag-rebel sila, they refused to trust God. As a result, yung entire generation na yon, they all died in the wilderness. Si Joshua lang at saka si Caleb entered the promised land. So ang tanong, nag-fail ba yung promise ng Diyos? No, tama. God remained faithful.